Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simplykay, back with another video. Welcome back. This video is the first cash stuffing for July. I am hyped because y'all, a lot of people, it's their magic month. 3 checks this month and I could not be happier. We are going hard with these debt payments and saving, and I'm just very excited. So if you're new, thank you for tuning in. If you are back, hey girl, hey, welcome back. It's good to see you again, and we're gonna get right into this video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. So I am playing around with my setup per usual. This is like the 850th time that I've been switching around my setup, but I can't find what I like. But before we got into the cash stuffing, I wanted to pull out my budget binder that I have made myself. I will link the video down below so you can see the first video of me showing you the inside, but I did go ahead and change up a few things, so I wanted to share with you guys what I changed. So basically, I honestly just changed the design of it. Sorry for the glare of the ring light, but I just changed the design of it. This is the monthly spread. Then we have paycheck 1 with the cash envelopes and sinking funds. I was realizing that the one that I use, it wasn't really working for me as far as what I needed to write, so I hadn't really been using it. So I was like, okay, let me just change it because I did not make this binder not to use it. So for this month, there's 3 paychecks, and then I have a spot for a YouTube check if I get a YouTube check, and then the same thing, what I'll put the YouTube check towards, and then if I put any money in my cash envelopes or sinking funds. July debt tracker we have in here because we're trying to pay off our car. We're paying for student loans, and we're paying for grad school, so that's in there. And then July savings, I am trying to save money before the end of the year, so we shall see. And then I also added a weekly check-in. I like that people do weekly check-ins. I think that I need it so that I don't get to the last week and be like, oh, well, I just spent $500 in a month that wasn't budgeted. So I feel like if I see it weekly, it might help me not to overspend and go over my budget. Then I have the spending tracker. It has a section for what did I buy, was it in the budget, and then I just put this so I can highlight and say, yeah, you good, or no sis, that was not in the budget. Mostly the past couple months have been no sis, so we have to change that. Then the amount spent, and then whether it was card or cash. And then this, if you've watched my graduate school video, you already know that this is going to be all about me paying for grad school and cash, you guys. So I'm hyped. That's it though. We're not stuffing every envelope just because we have things to do this month. So we're gonna get right into stuffing my little envelopes. It's hard to like see. I wish I could like angle them, but gas, toll, shopping, groceries, and bank deposit. Usually we don't stuff all of them, but date night's not getting stuffed either. Gas is going to be getting $20. There's nothing in there. It is absolutely ridiculous how much I've been having to put gas in my car. It's very upsetting, but $20.30 is going in there. It's ridiculous, and I don't drive that much. I drive to work. I only work 3 days a week, and I drive like when I go see my parents and stuff, but I've been spending all my money. Toll is getting $10. Just gonna put that in there. Same thing. Toll, I don't do too bad, but I've been going places, so we just came back from a little day trip, which was nice. Shopping isn't getting anything. I don't believe that it has anything in there. Groceries is getting $10. We need to go grocery shopping, so I'm gonna actually sit down today and make the list. And then I forgot to mention the total that we're stuffing today is $760, which is crazy. That's it for that. So now we're gonna get into our cash envelopes. I'm so sorry for the glare. That's the only thing about ring lights, like that glare is crazy. And this binder, you guys, you've seen me struggle with this binder like every week. Stop. It's just too crisp. Okay, so car maintenance has $70 in there and it's getting 10. So we're just gonna add 10. And as you can see, we lowered our, like we did our bill exchange, so all the envelopes are nice and small. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. So we have a total of 80, and I already updated the trackers the other day. I was gonna record this video the other day, but I was tired. I worked 4th of July weekend and I was just like, Emergency fund has $190. We're adding $10. So what we're gonna do is a little cash stuffing and bill exchange. So 100, 150, 170, 190, 200. I'm just going to go steal 100 from my grad school envelope and switch it out because that was the plan. Put that in the back for now. Okay, so then we have 200 in emergency fund. Finally, it has gotten to 200. Oh, it was at 200 before, but it's been a long time. Medical dental has $65 and it's going to be just getting 5 today. I'm still slacking. I need to make some appointments. 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. There's 70 in there. I think that's really good. I desperately need allergy medicine, so that's what I'll be going to get. Fund money has nothing in there, but it's going to be getting 20. I don't think I really have anything to do, but I want to start building that up because everyone is trying to do all these plans and I'm like, my budget. Rollover has nothing. And then the dollar savings challenge has 29, and I did have some dollars. Don't know where they really came from, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're adding $9. So a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, $38 in the dollar saving challenge. That's good. I'm proud of this. I'm glad I started to do this. I'm glad I picked the dollars, so I feel like you get more dollars with change and stuff. So $38 is in there. And now we're gonna go into the lovely, lovely sinking funds. So beauty is the first one. Beauty is going to be getting $60. I need my nails and my toes done for our trip, and that's always pricey. So there was $30 in here. We're adding 60, so we should have a total of 90, and I'm excited for that, which I think I might switch out some bills so that I can have money for a tip, but we'll see. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. Very excited to get my nails and my toes done. They desperately need it. I cannot wait to be on vacation. It's not even funny. I need to go now. I'm counting down. We are going to Cancun. Just for those of you who don't know, we're going to Cancun and I can't wait. All right, vacation has $100 in it and it's going to be getting 30. Like, I'm not playing with you guys. I'm saving for vacation because it's important. Like, me and my husband just want to go on like 8 million vacations. So 100, 120, 130. I tell him every day, I'm like, we need to go somewhere. We are truly our best selves on vacation. B-days and gifts, y'all, they've been killing me. Like, do you see? This sheet is like filled. I'm about to need another budget sheet. All these birthdays, there's nothing in there. Nothing. We're gonna be putting 25. I'm like, these people and their birthdays, oh my goodness. Oh, and July is just the start of some more. So June, we did it all. We got everybody's birthday done in June. My sister-in-law's birthday is 4th of July, so we had a dinner for her. And then my mother-in-law and my other sister-in-law are in July, so we're not done yet. Then Christmas is getting $10. It's been a minute since I stuffed Christmas. It has $190. So this one's gonna also have 200. So we're gonna take the 10, 100, 150, 170, 190, 100, so 200. We're gonna take that. Gonna go on, because the grad school envelope we're gonna be bringing to the bank anyway, so I'm like taking advantage of being able to switch out my bills before I go, and then they give me the crusty hundreds. Like, I want the new hundreds, so don't do that to me. So there's 200 in Christmas. We only need 100 more to go for my goal, which is good. Home is not getting anything. Hubby's not getting anything. Sorry. He is $15 though. Oliver is getting $15. We just got him a new leash. We're gonna need more food soon. We got a bigger bag this time, so it's lasted us a little bit better. So it's 10, 15, 20, and just for the sake of it, because I want to try to keep, while I have all this cash here, if I can make the envelopes less in there, we'll do that. So Oliver has $20, and that is it for him. Then we're gonna go to grad school next. Actually, we'll do everything else just in case I want to switch any more bills. So we have the savings challenge, which is something new. I got this little I think it's an A5 envelope, the zipper pouch envelope. I got this from SamsCraftsandCustoms. I will leave her shop down below. I absolutely love her shop, and I got that because I want to do like a monthly savings challenge, or just use this for any of my savings challenges. But I also did get some envelopes from her, which I want to show you guys really quick because they are beautiful. So this one says my name. It is so cute. It's like pink, iridescent, that snowball. Because I want to start, you know, putting aside a little bit. Subscriptions, shipping, and P.O. Box. So I do have a P.O. Box for my Etsy shop, which is linked down below, just so that I can have somewhere to mail it out and not use my personal address. But they are so cute. She makes the cutest things, so be sure to check her out. And yeah, so the savings challenge is going to get $20. I'm not even going to have a tracker in here. I'm just going to put in money, and then we'll see how we do at the end of the month. I just wanted to do something, so I'm thinking every check, if I have anything left over, any change that I want to roll over from my other envelopes, I'll put in my savings challenge, but we'll see. But this will just be to go towards maybe my car or something, like just extra money to do a little challenge with. So that is the savings challenge, and then we're gonna go to giving, and then we'll be off to grad school. So giving has $15. Oh no, it has 10. It has $10, and it's going to be getting another 5. So we have 5, 10, 15. Planning to save up a little bit because the next milestone is 2,000 subscribers, and I'm excited, but we want to save up before that comes. So Simplykay is not getting anything. Nurse Stuff has $50. I haven't used that yet. I changed my mind. I'm not getting med-surg certified because I don't want to do med-surg forever, and I'm just like, what is the point of that? I was looking into becoming psych, like mental health nursing certified, because that is very much an interest of mine. For those of you who do not know, I have a minor in psychology, and I'm currently going back to grad school for my master's in nursing for leadership and education. So I want to teach, but I do like psych, so we don't know what's gonna happen. But yeah, I was thinking about getting psych certified, but I have to have experience in psych, so I don't know, you guys. We'll see if I, you know, dive into becoming a psych nurse. We don't know yet. I do have experience, but I've never been like, I didn't do any nursing psych yet. I was a tech at psych, but that's it. So grad school has this envelope. Is like, do you see it? It's struggling. It's struggling. So let's get all that out of here. And nothing else is getting stuffed, just in case you guys didn't get that one. So grad school should have $900 in here. There is a lot of money here. Lots of money. So we're just gonna get this together real quick. Okay, I have like the smallest hands, so bear with me. we should have 900. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 600, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 700, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 800, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 900. So 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Okay, so then we have $500 that we're adding in. We're just going to count that up. 150, 100, 200, 250, 300. Added on some 10s. 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500. Okay, this is like a lot of money. So we're just going to put all the bills with each other. Y'all know I'm giving away that crusty 100. I don't want it anymore. I will keep the 50s over that crusty 100. Like, not playing any games. So look what we have, the $1,000 holder slip. I'm so excited. Where is the camera? Okay. So excited. This is my little $1,000 placeholder. I am so excited to put this in grad school. So that is going to be going in there. So we'll have the $1,000 placeholder in there, and then just know that the other $400 is in the bank, because I honestly don't want the money just laying around anyway. But I actually think I have $100 holders, so we'll put those in there if I find them. But we have $1,400, and that is going straight to the bank today. So okay, so can't fit that in here, so we're just gonna have to put it in something else to take it to the bank. But I have one last thing to do, and then I will let you people go. All right, so we have our coin challenge that we are doing. We have, how much is in here? We have $30.94, and we just have some dimes, I think, and some pennies. So we'll see how much we have to add. Haven't gotten too much change back, so we'll see where we are after this. Okay, $31.82. That is good. We're still not even halfway. This ink is not even halfway full, so we have a long way to go, but it is pretty heavy. So yeah, that is all I have for you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, even through my dysfunction of counting up all this money and confusing myself. But I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.